I took child development because I am considering working with children.
I really had interest in learning about children and how their cognitive growth works.
What I like about the child development teacher is that she's a very compassionate person. She's super understanding.
You make a lot of friends in that class. It's really nice to have a teacher that you really like in the beginning of your time at the high school.
In child development, I learned the skills of understanding children, of also having patience, and feeling more empathy for them because we don't know what they go through.
Since it's a college class, you have to make sure that you're getting all your work in on time.
I see child development as part of my future. Since I want to become a pediatrician, it would be really important for me to know about children.
When you advance into careers with children and you get to go out to your placement, it's really cool because you build a relationship with your kids and they really like you, and it makes your day a lot better.
I would recommend this class to other students 100%. It's super fun.